what's up, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making a $1 squishy and some $1 slime. It's pretty self-explanatory. Everything that I'm going to be using is going to be for $1. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. And now, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so all of the items that I'm going to be using today are from Dollar Tree. The first thing we're going to be making is a $1 squishy. So from the makeup section, I found these cosmetic sponges, and here you can see that I have 4 sponges that are like kind of stuck together. So from the craft section, I also bought some tacky glue, and I'm gonna glue all 4 of the sponges together. So once you've glued the sponges together, you want to let that dry for about 30 minutes. And now I'm going to take my pair of scissors and I'm going to cut off the top edges. Now I want this squishy to be like a milk carton, so that is the shape that I'm going for. So from the paint section, I also found some fabric paint, and I'm gonna paint the sponge using some white. Now, because there are like some indents, you will have to do about 3 to 4 layers of paint. And even after doing 3 to 4 layers of paint, I could still see lines on my squishy. Now, if that does bother you, you can keep adding on paint until you can't see the lines anymore. Personally, it wasn't a big problem to me, so yeah. You want to let that dry completely. Now I'm going to take some white and pink fabric paint, and I'm going to mix that together to make a baby pink. And now I'm going to draw on the label for the milk carton. So I got this paintbrush set, and this was surprisingly very good quality, by the way. So here you can see that I'm painting on the label. And now for the details, the first thing I'm gonna add is a cute face, because we all know that I have to add a face to everything. So I am using black acrylic paint for this, and then using some white, I am writing milk on top. And here is the squishy all completed. It is not slow rising by any means, but it is so squishy and so soft. The fact that I made this using Dollar Tree items, I think is pretty awesome, and it turned out so cute. So now we are going to be making some slime. I have some clear glue, and then I also found some glitter glue from Dollar Tree. This glitter glue itself does not work to make slime, but if you mix it in with some clear glue, it works perfectly to give it color. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some clear glue, and then I'm going to also add the blue glitter glue, and I'm going to mix that together. And of course, I'm also going to add some extra glitter. Once that's done, you can go ahead and activate your slime. I wanted to give the slime some more color, so I added in some glitter poster paint. I also decided that I want to make a second color of slime. So in a bowl, I'm adding in some clear glue. Then I'm going to add the iridescent glitter glue. And because I want this slime to be purple, I'm going to add some purple glitter paint. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and activate my slime. As you guys can see, I have both of the slimes in a container half and half, and they look so pretty together. So to top it off, I'm going to add these star glitters on top. This is actually not from Dollar Tree, it's from Dollarama, and it was for $1.25. I got like this whole pack of glitter. So I'm just sprinkling that on top, and then I'm also going to add a charm on top, and there is the slime all completed. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.